Just doing a real quick video on the 4-piece heavy-duty measuring spoon set. I just wanted to be able to show you just a real quick video letting you see how they are in action. There are actually 4 of them, which is really nice. So I just want to be able to show you just a quick tip that you can be able to do when you're putting something sticky on your measuring spoons. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my 1/2 teaspoon one. What the trick is put just a dab of olive oil on the actual spoon. Not a lot. The reason why you're doing this is so that when you put it on there, it doesn't stick to the spoon, but it just comes all of it all the way off. And what I do recommend though is while you're doing that, the hand that you're going to use to scrape it off, just in case if it doesn't all the way come off, if you're doing it multiple times, is to go ahead and use that hand to put it around the spoon. And I think I put a little bit too much on. Maybe just remember just a quick little dab of it on there. But anyway, just go ahead and pour the honey on there. Not the honey, I mean the maple syrup. And watch how I pour it out and it just all just comes right on out. Oh, how nice. I didn't even have to use the hand that I put the olive oil on it with. It's all off. See? Perfect. Yeah, I didn't even have to use my hand. So this is just a real quick tip on using your heavy duty measuring spoon sets on one way you can be able to use it so you can get all the sticky liquid off of your spoons. So there you go. It worked pretty good. Yeah, I got it all the way off. I'm happy. Thank you so much for watching.